Meaning of grid.
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 Grid. The term grid can refer to a number of different things depending on the context. In general, it usually refers to a group of intersecting lines or a set of connected nodes that form a pattern or structure. For example, a grid might be used in geography to refer to a network of longitude and latitude lines that are used to create maps. In computer science, a grid might refer to a system of interconnected processors that work together to solve complex problems. Overall, the term grid is versatile and can have many different meanings depending on the situation.